Today I'm going to show you how to put a Jeep Gladiator into four-wheel drive. Putting a Jeep Gladiator into four-wheel drive mode is essential for tackling off-road terrain and challenging driving conditions. Here's how to engage four-wheel drive in a Jeep Gladiator. 1. Prepare the vehicle. Before engaging four-wheel drive, ensure that your Jeep Gladiator is stopped or moving at a slow speed, typically under 60 miles an hour. Engaging four-wheel drive at higher speeds can damage the drivetrain. Select the transfer case mode. The Jeep Gladiator features a transfer case that allows you to switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low modes. Locate the transfer case lever or dial inside the vehicle. This is typically located near the center console or on the dashboard. Engage four-wheel high. To engage four-wheel drive high mode for improved traction on slippery or uneven surfaces such as snow, mud, or gravel roads, follow these steps. Bring your Jeep Gladiator to a complete stop. Shift the transmission to neutral using the gear shifter. Turn or pull the transfer case lever or dial to the four-wheel drive high position. This will engage four-wheel drive high range. Once four-wheel drive high is engaged, shift the transmission back into gear, drive, or reverse to resume driving. Engage four-wheel drive low. This is optional. Four-wheel drive low mode provides maximum traction and torque for extreme off-road conditions such as steep inclines, deep mud, or rocky terrain. Engage four-wheel drive low only when necessary and follow these steps. Bring your Jeep Gladiator to a complete stop. Turn or pull the transfer case lever or dial to the four-wheel drive low position. This will engage four-wheel drive low range. Once four-wheel drive low is engaged, shift the transmission back into gear, such as drive or reverse, to resume driving. Note: when in four-wheel drive low mode, the vehicle's maximum speed is limited, typically under 25 miles an hour. Use caution and drive at a safe speed. Monitor four-wheel drive indicator lights. After engaging four-wheel drive mode, monitor the vehicle's dashboard for any warning lights or indicators that may illuminate. These lights will confirm that four-wheel drive is engaged and functioning properly. Disengage four-wheel drive. When you no longer need four-wheel drive mode, such as when returning to paved roads or highway driving, follow the same procedure in reverse to shift the transfer case back to two-wheel drive mode. Remember to shift the transmission into neutral before adjusting transfer case mode. And always come to a complete stop before changing modes. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively engage a four-wheel drive mode in your Jeep Gladiator, allowing you to confidently navigate a variety of driving situations and conditions and terrains. I hope this video was helpful. It's just a guide on how to put it into four-wheel drive. For the exact instructions on how to put your particular car into four-wheel drive, you should read the owner's manual for your particular car and abide by that, not this video. This video is for entertainment purposes and for helping you get a visualization of what four-wheel drive looks like. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.